The 2010 Mazda 3. The 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3, meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, front air conditioning, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front wheel drive, bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.